Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. Cyanide Red Pill Rixter. I got conversation that's going to add some value. Canadian perspective, Jamaican born. So I might see things a little bit different, but I'm still a man. All right, so shout out to all the men who know we're not going to let the women test us too far. We know when a woman's testing us, right? I'm not going to say much. I'm going to get right into it. So bada. Let's get right into it, because we know when a woman's testing a man. So check this out.
Because during your first encounter with her, you opened up the doors for her to think that she has the upper hand on you and she could do as she pleases. One of the very first things women do when they meet you is size you up.
Right? Am I lying? That's one of the first things they do is size you up. So ladies.
Stop the cap.
Yo, we're not gonna expose everything, ladies, but we're gonna expose some things today.
Because during your first encounter with her, you opened up the doors for her to think that she has the upper hand on you and she could do as she pleases. One of the very first things women do when they meet you is size you up.
Right.
She's reading you.
Right.
And if you don't work on your confidence so you set the stage before she even considers trying to disrespect you, then only disrespect will follow.
Jeez.
The dark side I sense in you.
Pay attention to how she acts in certain situations and how her demeanor comes across in your presence.
Right.
Women have a way of testing you to see what they can get away with. Assert yourself as a man who will stand up for yourself and won't tolerate anything less than the utmost respect. A woman will not keep trying you if you assert yourself at the very first sign of disrespect. Cut that off at the onset, because if you let her do it, she will keep doing it.
Cut it off at the onset? She ain't lying about that. The first sign of disrespect, you have to nip it in the bud, as they say, right? You have to cut it off immediately.
Yeah.
All right, so check this out. This one here now is going to be very Jamaican, okay? So I might lose a few viewers because it's going to be in the patois language, and after the video is done, I'm going to translate this particular part right here for y'all, right? Because it's going to be a little bit very hardcore Jamaican. To the ladies that are out there sleeping with what they say, broke, right? But in Jamaican style.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Or you feel like down after that man we broke and not have nothing. And then when you see a next man, you beg him a box food card. Yes, I kill you and hungry, I kill you.
Okay. So to my American, my Vietnamese, my Filipino people, my people from England, and my Canadians, do you guys understand what she just said? This is Jamaican patois, talking about a woman talking to other women and saying, like, were you lying down with men every night and then coming to the good men and asking the good men to help you out? Check this out right now.
I don't have that man we broke and not have nothing. And then when you see a next man, you beg him a box food card. Yes, I kill you and hungry, I kill you.
Yep.
You can't lie down and grind with a broke man when I work, when I have no ambition, no live, no when I have nothing in a life. And then you're gone and beg a next man a box food. You beg him pitney lunch money, pitney school fee. Go and beg the man where you just lie down with the money. And stop terrorize people, good boy pitney, to give you something. And just get up out of one next man bed. Someone who jump out of the big markets and the big crown.
Yo, I'm a Jamaican, so that is sweet. Yo, she is dropping the guns on them. Listen. She's dropping the guns on them. Check it out. It's funny.
When you see a next man, you beg him a box food card. Yes, I kill you and hungry, I kill you.
Yep.
You can't lie down and grind with a broke man when I work, when I have no ambition, no live, no when I have nothing in a life. And then you're gone and beg a next man a box food. You beg him pitney lunch money, pitney school fee. Go and beg the man where you just lie down with the money. And stop terrorize people, good boy pitney, to give you something. And just get up out of one next man bed. Someone who jump out of the big markets and the big crown them with the boy, them and then you go beg a walk foot man of money.
A walk foot man.
Very good.
Yeah, beg a walk foot man of money. Yo, I wish you guys could understand. I'm going to translate a little bit later. Check it out.
I jump out of the big markets and the big crown them with the boy, them and then you go beg a walk foot man of money.
Very good.
Not too out of order, man. The man wanna lie down and sleep with and make love with. Him wanna fi go terrorize for money. Stop lie down with the man them for them big vehicle and the car drive.
Right.
I wanna get nothing. I wanna come on a big Adam hardworking man them money. Wanna stop it. And who as hardworking man wanna fi run them from front town. Cause them just done grind and then they come a beg on a box food money. Come a beg on a tin mackerel chicken back all wipes. Come a beg on a pampers everything, eh? And then just done saga out the whole night. And come a beg on no girl will have them man. I grind them out all night. Can't come beg me a night. Then I come in have it to give nobody.
Wow. Yo.
You have some girl. Then walk and fuck the broke man them.
And what?
And then them a beg the nether man them money.
Right, so. Yo, in summing it up. To sum that up, that last sentence summed it all up. You have some man a walk and a sex the broke niggas them, and then asking the mans them who are responsible to clean up the mess, so to speak. I'll translate that fully later. But for now, my deadbeat baby daddy. That's what this one's called. Let's go. Okay, so this is clearly a skit, and I like it so far. Good quality. Check it out.
Yeah.
Come on. You said you wanted to see him, right?
Right.
Okay, hold on. My God, he got so big. Look at you growing.
Nice.
What you thought was gonna happen? He was gonna shrivel up and die without you?
Can you stop?
Just watch him.
When you have strippiness like that, you gotta follow it up with strippiness like this.
Oh, y'all so fucking bad. I just bought him the motherfucking Burberry.
Fast, yo. Look at Snaky. My youth's wearing Burberry tracksuit. Watch him now, chimpy. Watch her.
Oh, y'all so fucking bad. I just bought him the motherfucking Burberry so we could take the pictures. He got the Hermes off. Stop it. Y'all so fucking bad,
Hermes.
man. Let his Hermes.
Yo, man, Hermes and Burberry and all these things. I saw the monkey them a move, watch.
So we could take the pictures. He got the Hermes off. Stop it. Y'all so fucking bad, man. Let his Hermes go.
Oh, shit.
Now you stand right there with your brother. Where? Come here.
Ooh.
Ooh. I hate y'all. Sit still for the photographer.
The attack.
God damn. Hold on, man.
The attack. It was epic. Yo, thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. Remember to like and subscribe. Tell a friend. Share it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, X, whatever. Oh.